calling off at Brockholes Nature Reserve. It shuts at 5 though. We're about 5 to now. We'll have to come back another time. What I've done, I've not parked on here. Parked on the road leading in. There was enough space for a few cars. So even if it shuts, like the visitors centre, car park and all that in here, we can still have a bit of an explore while we're here. So you know it's a farther as well. Park your car.
It definitely wasn't that thingy piece of grass. Touching for it again.
Ooh. Hmm?
Froggy.
Does look froggy, doesn't it?
Is that a heron there? See it? I guessed it.
Do not feed the birds. Swans may take your arm off.
That's
Jockey.
the arm one, is it?
Yeah. Not a bad little spot. You can get some eating all that here. Conferencing seating area. Saw a wedding thing before. Jim, well, tell you what, follow him. He looks more interesting than where I were going. Sorry, isn't it? Well, this should be the River Rebel here. Some weird fungi.
That's pretty fun. I didn't even like the oak. There's the fun. That's definitely a river.
River Rebel. Swan hiding in the bushes. Swan River, really close. They have never had a walk down. I was taking a video of the deer. These two, see, the deer. River, you see a bloody red deer. Gutted, but oh well. James, still here. James, it's still here. Slow down, sir. Just behind them metal things. You see him?
Still there? I thought it was just
The lookout rose. What we're looking out for? We've seen a hare, we've seen deers. Ah, it's closed. It is late. Well, you have. There's a viewing area in there, but maybe next time. Little ponds drifted around, like man-made ones and stuff. Mud hut or apartments. Turns on the rafts. It's quite a big lake. I think this is the one with an island on, isn't it?
Yes.
Huh?
I saw something move. I thought it was like a tiny bird, but it didn't fly off when it went in the air.
Come on.
Just went to
The wind's picked up a bit. Just thought I'd have a sneaky walk down here. I missed half of it. Going dark. I missed the deer, what these men have seen. I was videoing a swan on the River Rebel and missed him. Oh well. No idea how actually big it is. James said it was bigger than me. Rose said it was smaller than James. So, don't know, could have been a road here I think. Beat you?